I used to work first as a service designer, then I went to London, and then I came back to Spain and I work as a designer strategist. I did the UX UI bootcamp here in Ironhack. I didn't come here to make like a career change. I decided I want to stay doing what I used to do, but with a wider scope. My goal is not to work as a UX designer, but right now I know what a UX designer needs from me, so I really understand what they need, and I can really also participate in that and help them. It has given me more knowledge. I really enjoyed the bootcamp. It was intense, but it's true that you learn day by day, and you learn by doing, and you learn really like failing and learning where you failed. And I really learned how to use design softwares, how to use tools, and how to really create things with what I have in my mind. So this is very important for me, and I'm really happy with the overall experience. For my final project, I created Tripify. That is an app that lets you create personalized trips in a city you have already been or you are new to. You can really discover a city through experiences more than like sightseeing points. After the bootcamp, my idea is not to become like a full-time UX UI designer. My idea is to stick to what I used to do, that is to be a designer strategist, work in service design, innovation consultancy, but with a wider idea. So I'm really looking for like boutique consultancies or projects that can make me really challenged and think like out of the box. And yeah, obviously work hand by hand with UX designers and now like add my knowledge to that field.